Hi, I'm Networker, and welcome to my app. I am a knowledge-sharing assistant designed to connect individuals in a hurry and bring them together in networking. Networker keeps track of user data without ever having to touch the keyboard. To log in, simply say Begin.
Begin.
Once you've logged in, you can access your database's people and notes. Ask who someone is, and get a vocal and textual response, summarizing who they are.
Who is Jackie Chan?
One moment. Based on the provided JSON file data, Jackie Chan is a person who attended the University of California, Berkeley. Works at Alphabet.
To edit text, simply say Set Field to, and the person's fields will be automatically updated to the value specified. Want to navigate pages? The Go to Page command will do the trick. When you want to add a note, just say Note. The prompt will listen for the next phrases that follow, taking careful notes on what was said. These objects are stored in a notes collection in MongoDB that you can access at any time through Networker's interface. Finally, you can add new people to the database by saying New Person and stating the full name of this person and what you want to remember. Leave AI to do all the JSON formatting and entering for you. Soon, users will be able to connect individuals via AI-drafted email automation and add new users with AI business card scanning. With the assistant's built-in conversation memory and MongoDB unstructured formatting, the Networker's personal CRM capabilities are endless. Networker is powered by Microsoft Azure, OpenAI, Speechly, and Google Cloud Computing. The future is limitless with the powers of AI, and Networker will be one of many to bring it to fruition. Happy networking!